Welcome to our channel. If you're an open source developer or contributor wanting to claim free software trials through sponsorship programs, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Identify software companies that offer free licenses to open source developers and contributors. Popular programs include JetBrains Open Source License, GitHub Enterprise, and various cloud service credits. Step 2. Visit the official website of the software provider and navigate to their open source or community program section. This information is typically found under For Open Source or Community in their menu. Step 3. Review the eligibility requirements carefully. Most programs require your project to be actively maintained, publicly available, and licensed under an approved open source license. Step 4. Prepare the required documentation, which typically includes your project's repository link, license information, proof of active development, and your role in the project. Step 5. Fill out the application form with accurate information about your open source project, including its purpose, number of contributors, and impact on the community. Step 6. Submit your application and wait for approval. Processing times vary from a few days to several weeks depending on the program. Step 7. Once approved, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to activate your free software license or credits. Follow these instructions carefully to complete the setup. Step 8. Use the software according to the program's terms and conditions. Remember that these licenses are typically renewable annually, as long as your project continues to meet the eligibility criteria. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.